let me show you a sample of an inquest case flow. So, as you can see, here X is a policeman who saw Y kill Z in his presence. X thereafter arrested Y. So the crime committed by Y here is either murder or homicide. X then brings Y before the fiscal for inquest. And then the fiscal finds the arrest valid and proceeds to determine if there is probable cause. The fiscal finds probable cause and then prepares the resolution and information. And then after preparing the resolution and information, the fiscal then files the information in court. Now, since the crime committed by Y here is murder or homicide, it is considered as a grave offense. And for purposes of Article 125 of the Revised Penal Code, for grave offenses, the reglementary period is 36 hours counted from the time of the arrest. Now, the rule requires that the inquest proceeding, to include the filing of the information in court, must all be completed within 36 hours. Otherwise, if no information is filed after the lapse of the 36-hour reglementary period, the person or the arresting officer having custody of the arrested person is obligated to release the arrested person. Otherwise, the arrested person may be held, rather, the person having custody of the arrested person may be held liable for arbitrary detention under Article 125 of the Revised Penal Code. Now, let us say after the fiscal finds the arrest valid, or after the fiscal receives the complaint filed by the police officer, the fiscal finds the arrest not properly effected. What shall he do? He shall then order the release of Y in this example. Or if the fiscal finds the arrest not properly effected, but the evidence on hand warrants the conduct of a regular preliminary investigation, the fiscal shall still order the release of the arrested person, but he will proceed to conduct a preliminary investigation, since he finds some evidence to continue with the investigation. Or if the fiscal finds the arrest valid, but Y, the arrested person here, desires to avail of a preliminary investigation, Y must first sign a waiver of Article 125 of the Revised Penal Code. So, as you can see here, this is a sample inquest case flow which sort of summarizes everything we have discussed in this video.